Hello, and welcome to my video on capturing the beauty and majesty of the sea in your Impressionist photography. Seascapes photography can be a rewarding and challenging task, but with a little bit of practice and patience, you can create stunning images that truly capture the energy and movement of the ocean. Impressionist photography is all about capturing the essence and mood of a scene. This can be especially effective when it comes to seascapes, as the ocean is constantly changing and can be difficult to capture in traditional, literal way. So, what actions can you take to enhance the impact of your images? Try focusing on the movement and energy of the water rather than the details of the scene. Experiment with longer exposures to blur the movement of the waves. Or try shooting from unconventional angles to add visual interest to your image. Pay attention to the colors and light in the scene, and consider how you can use these elements to create a mood or atmosphere in your photograph. It's also important to consider the time of day and weather condition when planning your photo shoot. The sea can appear very different depending on weather. It's a sunny day or a cloudy one. And the direction of the light can greatly affect the mood and atmosphere of your images. For example, a sunrise or sunset can create beautiful golden tones in the water, while a clear sunny day can result in a bright, crisp photos with vibrant colors. Next, consider the perspective from which you are shooting. Experiment with different angles and vantage points to capture the sea in different ways. For example, shooting from a high vantage point can give you a sweeping view of the ocean, while shooting from a lower angle can give the water a more powerful and dramatic appearance. When it comes to seascape photography, it's not just about capturing the visual elements of the sea. It's also about translating the auditory elements into your images. The sounds of the crashing waves, the seagulls in the background, and even the salty sea air can all contribute to overall atmosphere and mood of your photograph. Think about how you can translate these sounds into your image visually. For example, you might use long exposure to capture the movement of the waves and convey the sound of the water crashing against the shore. You might also use compositional elements, like the seagulls flying overhead, to convey the sound of the birds in the background. By paying attention to both the visual and auditory elements of the sea, you can create a more immersive and powerful experience for the viewer, bringing your seascape images to life in a truly unique and impactful way. Remember, the beauty of Impressionist photography is in its subjective nature. There is no right or wrong to do it. So don't be afraid to experiment and try new things to find your own unique style and vision when it comes to capturing the sea in an Impressionist way. So open your imagination. Smell the salty air, feel the spray against your cheek, and hear the roar of pounding surf as you embark on this exciting journey to capture the beauty of the sea in your photography. I hope these tips have inspired you to start creating stunning seascapes of your own. If you would like the copy of my book, The Secret of the Sea, follow the link in the description below. In it, I outline a few simple steps to help you create beautiful seascapes that convey the magic and power of the sea. Each chapter focuses on a different element of coastal scenery, including crashing waves, white sandy beaches, gently rolling surf, sailing boats, luminous ocean sunsets, and warm scenes with kids and dogs at play. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your photography friends. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and I see you in the next one.